Planning your next RV trip and considering Pennsylvania? Welcome, fellow adventurers, to our countdown of the top 5 RV parks in the Keystone State. From the tranquil forests to the bustling cities, Pennsylvania offers a myriad of unique RV experiences. Each park we're about to explore has its own unique features and attractions, promising unforgettable adventures. So buckle up and get ready to add some new destinations to your travel bucket list. Stay tuned as we embark on this journey to discover the best RV parks in Pennsylvania. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Lake and Wood Resort. Nestled in the heart of Pennsylvania's Dutch country, the Lake and Wood Resort is an idyllic getaway that offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. It's the perfect spot for those who want to immerse themselves in nature without compromising on comfort and convenience. As the name suggests, this resort is built around a tranquil lake, surrounded by lush woodland. Just imagine waking up to serene lake views, the gentle rustling of leaves and the sweet melody of birdsong. It's an experience that truly reconnects you with nature and recharges your senses. Lake and Wood Resort is not just about tranquility. It's a place where fun and excitement are part of the daily routine. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a peace lover, there's something for everyone here. You can enjoy a day of fishing or boating on the lake, take a hike through the woods, or simply relax and soak up the sun. The resort also provides a range of facilities to ensure your stay is as comfortable as possible. This includes full hookup RV sites, rental cabins, and park model rentals, all designed to cater to your specific needs. And let's not forget the resort's convenience store, where you can stock up on essentials and souvenirs. One of the highlights of Lake and Wood Resort is its family-friendly environment. The resort offers numerous activities for kids, including playgrounds, a game room, and a mini golf course. There's also a swimming pool where you can cool off during those warm summer days. And when it comes to dining, the Gnome Cafe is a must-visit. This quirky eatery offers a range of delicious meals from hearty breakfasts to delectable dinners. The cafe's gnome-themed decor adds a whimsical touch, making your dining experience all the more enjoyable. Experience an RV park like no other at Lake and Wood Resort. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and embrace the beauty of nature. A paradise for families, Lake and Wood is the perfect place to kickstart your RV adventure. Moving on to number 4, we find ourselves in the sweetest place on earth, at Hershey RV Camping Resort. Nestled in the heart of Pennsylvania, this gem of a resort is a paradise for RV enthusiasts and chocolate lovers alike. One of the most enticing features of Hershey RV Camping Resort is its proximity to a world of fun and adventure at Hersheypark. Imagine stepping out of your RV and being just a stone's throw away from a thrilling amusement park, brimming with roller coasters, water rides, and of course, an abundance of chocolate-themed attractions. It's like Willy Wonka decided to open up a campground. But the resort isn't just about its chocolatey neighbor, it's a destination in its own right. The RV sites here are spacious and well-equipped, providing a perfect blend of comfort and convenience for your camping needs. Whether you're in a compact camper or a luxury motorhome, there's a spot here that's just right for you. And let's not forget the family-friendly amenities that make Hershey RV Camping Resort a hit with kids and adults alike. There's a swimming pool for those hot summer days, a playground for the little ones, and even a game room for some friendly competition. Plus, with a calendar full of fun events and activities, there's never a dull moment at this resort. Fancy a spot of fishing? They've got a lake for that. Want to explore the great outdoors? There are miles of nature trails to discover. Need to stock up on essentials or souvenirs? The on-site store has you covered. And when the sun goes down, gather around the campfire for some good old-fashioned storytelling and s'more making. Hershey RV Camping Resort truly is a chocolate box of delights. It's a place where you can create unforgettable memories, filled with laughter, adventure, and perhaps a chocolate bar or two. So, whether you're a seasoned RV road tripper or a camping newbie, this resort has something to offer everyone. For those with a sweet tooth for adventure, Hershey RV Camping Resort is the place to be. Coming in at number 3, we have the Gettysburg Battlefield Resort, a place where history meets luxury. Brimming with historical significance, Gettysburg Battlefield Resort is nestled in the heart of Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. It's not just an RV park, it's a living history lesson. The park sits just a stone's throw away from the historic Gettysburg Battlefield, the site of one of the most critical battles in the American Civil War. Here, you can spend your day exploring the hallowed grounds where the tide of war turned, immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of America's past. But the allure of Gettysburg Battlefield Resort goes beyond its proximity to history. The resort itself offers a plethora of modern amenities that will make your stay as comfortable as it is enlightening. From spacious RV sites equipped with full hookups to a well-maintained pool for those sweltering summer days, and a clubhouse for those cozy nights, the resort caters to every need of the discerning RV traveler. And let's not forget about the gastronomical delights. The resort boasts a full-service restaurant that serves mouth-watering dishes, sure to satisfy even the most particular palate. After a long day of exploring, you can sit back and relax, relishing a meal under the starlit Pennsylvania sky. The resort also offers a unique opportunity to learn as you unwind. It's not every day you get to vacation in a place that played such a pivotal role in shaping the nation's history. The resort organizes regular educational tours and reenactments, bringing the past to life in a way that's both engaging and informative. It's a chance to delve into the captivating stories of bravery and sacrifice that echo through the fields of Gettysburg. In essence, the Gettysburg Battlefield Resort is more than just an RV park. It's an experience. It's a place that merges the thrill of road tripping with the charm of yesteryear. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of history while enjoying the comforts of modern-day living. Gettysburg Battlefield Resort provides a unique blend of history and comfort, making it a must-visit on your RV journey. Our runner-up is Twin Grove RV Resort and Cottages, a true haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Nestled in the heart of Pennsylvania's picturesque woodland, Twin Grove offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The park is enveloped by lush, verdant forests that provide a serene backdrop for your RV adventure. But don't let the peaceful surroundings fool you. Twin Grove is not just about relaxation, it's also about fun and excitement. One of the highlights of Twin Grove is the variety of outdoor activities it offers. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature lover, there's something for everyone here. You can explore the numerous hiking and biking trails that crisscross the park, or partake in a friendly game of volleyball or basketball at one of the sports courts. And if water is more your element, you can enjoy a refreshing dip in the swimming pool or try your hand at fishing in the park's well-stocked pond. But that's not all. Twin Grove also caters to the little ones with a dedicated play area and a fun-filled arcade room. And don't forget to check out their mini golf course, a firm favorite amongst visitors young and old alike. The amenities at Twin Grove are second to none. They offer full hookup RV sites equipped with everything you need for a comfortable stay. If you prefer a more rustic experience, you can opt for one of their cozy cottages tucked away in the woods. And with a well-stocked convenience store on site, you'll never have to worry about running out of essentials. Twin Grove also prides itself on its community spirit. They host a variety of events throughout the year, from outdoor movie nights to themed weekends, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere that makes guests feel right at home. So if you're looking for a place that combines the tranquility of nature with the thrill of outdoor activities, all wrapped up in a family-friendly package, Twin Grove RV Resort and Cottages is the place to be. With its beautiful surroundings and endless activities, Twin Grove offers an unforgettable RV experience. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, the #1 RV park in Pennsylvania is the Philadelphia Westchester KOA. Imagine this. You're nestled in the heart of Pennsylvania, surrounded by lush greenery, yet you're just a stone's throw away from the bustling city of Philadelphia. This is not a dream, folks. This is the reality at the Philadelphia Westchester KOA. This RV park is a gem, tucked away in the countryside, offering the perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. Its close proximity to Philadelphia means you can indulge in the city's rich history, vibrant nightlife, and delectable cuisine, and then retreat back to your peaceful oasis in the great outdoors. But it's not just the location that makes this park a standout. The Philadelphia Westchester KOA is renowned for its spacious RV sites. There's plenty of room to spread out and relax, whether you've got a compact camper or a mammoth motorhome. And let's not forget about the amenities. This park is chock full of them. We're talking a swimming pool, dog park, mini golf, a fishing pond, and even a gem mining station. Yes, you heard that right, a gem mining station. There's no shortage of activities to keep you entertained during your stay. The Philadelphia Westchester KOA is truly the pinnacle of RV camping in Pennsylvania, offering the perfect combination of city access and outdoor charm. Your RV adventure awaits, so why not make this your next stop? And there you have it, the top 5 RV parks in Pennsylvania. From the tranquil setting of Lake and Wood Resort to the history-rich grounds of Gettysburg Battlefield Resort. Not forgetting the family-friendly Hershey RV Camping Resort, the picturesque Twin Grove RV Resort and Cottages, and the vibrant Philadelphia Westchester KOA. Each park offers unique experiences, promising unforgettable memories. So, what are you waiting for? Pennsylvania's beautiful landscapes are calling. So pack up your RV and hit the road. Pennsylvania awaits with adventures beyond your wildest dreams.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe by pressing button below.